So you're trying to do animation and you're going from one pose. Let's say this is a keyframe, a pose, and you want to get to this other pose, right? So you have this one and this one. The problem with making your animation smooth is that you only with the free version of FlipaClip, you can only see with the onion skin, you can only see the frame before. You cannot see the frame after. So the problem of doing in-betweens to make this animation smooth is that you cannot see if you're on frame one, you cannot see where to take your character, right? So the way to fix this, and unfortunately you're going to have to get some of the premium features, is that you need your onion skin, I mean your onion, when you click here and edit. Normally for FlipaClip, you will have frames before, but you don't have frames after. You don't have the availability of frames after. So you're going to have to activate the premium feature where you can actually see both. You can see frames before and frames after and have, for example, 1 and 1. And now on frame 1, I can see frame 2 and I can figure out how to get from here to here. To access the FlipaClip premium features, go to your projects page. Right when you open the application, go to the top menu, find premium features, and you will see all the premium features here. The one that we're using right now is customize onion settings. So that's the way to make it smooth. So if I want to make an in-between now, like let me go back to the normal feature that you have on the free version of FlipaClip. This is frame 1, this is frame 2. From frame 2 you can see frame 1, which is great, but from frame 1 you cannot see frame 2. And then how do you move this guy to that place? And if you make a frame in here, let's make a blank frame in here. If I'm trying to draw here an in-between frame, I do not see the other image. So how can I draw an in-between when I cannot see the other drawing? That's fixed by doing this. Onion, frame before, 1, frame after, 1. And you can only activate that in FlipaClip in the premium features. So now I can see both drawings, and now I can start doing in-between frames, right? I can start creating my in-between frames of my character. So now I have this, this, and this, right? If I don't have the ability to see the frame after, it's really hard to make smooth in-betweens. And from here, all I have to do is continue making in-betweens. So now I have 3 frames now. So now I need an in-between, like a middle frame between 1 and 2. So I insert another in-between frame here, and I can start animating with in-between frames. Right? So that is the actual way that you can make your animation smooth. If you don't have the capability of seeing a frame before and frame after, you can't really do in-between frames like this. And now we're starting to see a more smooth animation, right? And then I do the same thing from this one from 3 to 4. I can create an extra frame there, and I can animate the in-between this way. So it is very important. Unfortunately, FlipaClip has a free version that doesn't include frame after for the onion, but you do need that frame after to start creating smooth in-between frames, right? And then you can add as many in-between frames as you want. I can add another one from here to here, but you do need that feature on. So if you can get it, please get it. because it is one of the most important features in any animation application. You need to be able to see frames before and frames after in order to create a in-between frame that transitions smoothly from one to the other. Hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and take a look at the links on the video description.